Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Friday. Hope you guys had a fabulous week and ready for an amazing weekend. Today, this is the Friday freebie. It's a lovely autumnal page which has been taken away from my Colours of Fall bundle. As you guys know, I pull all my digital papers into 12 bundles now that you guys can purchase and get the most amazing value for your money. This particular bundle has got 67 pages. As you can see here from the preview, there are backgrounds, there are some lovely gnomes, some butterflies, etc. Let me show you where to get this freebie here and all the upcoming freebies for the next upcoming weeks. As usual, guys, 2 ways to get my freebie. Way number 1 is to join my newsletter. My newsletter is an email, and I will put it here on the screen on the left hand side. I send out every Friday at 9 p.m. British time. There is a video recap of the week, papers of the week. There is always a cheeky discount code or a little offer for you to enjoy. It's just a very nice email for chit chat, sometime twice a week. So just look out. And way number 2, because by the time you watch this video, the newsletter has already gone out to everybody, so you won't be able to receive this freebie. But when you join, you will be able to receive next week and the following weeks, etc. So if you want today's freebie, and there is about 300 freebies I have shared on my channel in the last couple of years. It's all put together on my Facebook group, and again, I've put on the screen. My Facebook group is an interactive community where myself and other creators and other crafters shares the project, freebies, ideas, videos, etc. So it's a very interactive platform where you can see all my freebies in date order. Okay, so once you join in, you click on files and you'll be able to download everything that is in there in date order. So it's a kind of archive where you can go and help yourself and download everything that is in there. Okay, so if you go to my website antoniomakes.com, just here on the top, you recognize it because there is a butterfly there. I just give my website a little revamp. Okay, so this is the bundles. It's called Colours of Fall. So if you click on it, it's here. Now if you click on this little arrow there, it shows you all the pages. So I'm just going to make it bigger so you guys can see the papers that you get. There are tags, there are background. What else is in there? There is a gift box, there's a milk carton gift box, pillow boxes, envelopes, all sorts. All my bundles are full of ephemera there. Everything that you need for your crafting. There are even some butterflies and gift boxes, some leaves with all different texture. Look at that background, some more tags. So everything in here is being bolted up to the whopping 67 pages. Okay, exactly the same approach I have used for my VIP lounge. My VIP lounge membership now is only £2 a month. Yes, so £2 a month. Or you can have one-off payment, which is £20 a year, when you get 2 months for free. Okay, so I've taken the decision to lower the price and give you an amazing value for a huge amount of creativity. Okay guys, I'm going to go big thumbs up if you like this video. I truly appreciate your support, because every time you guys interact with me, YouTube get a little notification and they say that I'm fabulous. So thank you so much, and I truly appreciate if you join my VIP lounge and get all my papers each month too. Have a wonderful weekend, and until next Monday, stay safe and well.